What's the meaning of action stations? Action stations. Action stations. Action stations. Action stations. Action stations. Action stations is a military term that refers to the alert state in which military personnel are required to prepare for immediate combat action. When this command is given, all individuals must go to their assigned positions and be ready to engage in battle immediately. The purpose of this command is to ensure that military personnel are able to act quickly and efficiently in response to any potential threats or attacks. The result of implementing action stations is an increased level of readiness and preparedness, which can significantly enhance the effectiveness of military operations and help to ensure the safety of personnel involved.